Hey everyone, welcome to this video. Today I have some exciting bottles of polish to show you. These are from Born Pretty and these are their new base gel. They are rubber base and fiber base gel in all in one. And I have some gorgeous shades, and as I'm showing you here, they have the little sticker on the top to show you the swatch, as they have been doing in their last few hauls. So that is fantastic. We love to see that. So straight away I'm going to go straight in with the swatches. This first one is soft pink. And I'm going to do the swatch on top of the swatch stick just so I could get a proper feel for how the polish feels and the consistency of it. So I'm going to go in with a little slip layer, like a wetting layer, and then I'm going to go in with a bigger bead and I am just going to pull it down the swatch stick just like I would do on a real nail. So here is the first colour. This is soft pink. Or sorry, no, this is soft pink. And then next up we have light pink. So soft pink is really sheer. As you could see, it would be perfect for a really pale pink manicure. And then light pink has a little bit of spice to it. So it has a little bit more of that vibrant pink in it, although it's still a real sheer. So it still is one of those that you would use for a French base or just like a background for nail art. Or you could just pop this on and put a top coat over it. It would be absolutely fab. So again, I'm just doing a little slip layer and then I am doing my bigger bead down and just kind of dragging it down a little bit, imitating what I would do on a real nail. And yeah, this color is gorgeous. This is so pretty. So just showing you up close and personal, this is what it looks like. Very pretty. So then next up we have Nude. And this is a real kind of a darker nude, so it has quite a lot of brown in it. And also just to let you know, when I'm swatching it on, I don't know if you can see, but you can. I could see when I was swatching them the little bits of fiberglass in the actual gel. So if you're not familiar with fiber gel, it kind of has little bits of fiberglass through it. But those shrink away when you cure it. They kind of just shrink away and you can't see them anymore when you put it into the lamp. But they do help with, say, broken nails or cracked nails or anything like that. They really are good for that. So this is the nude color. And then next up we have a Milky White. So for me as a nail tech, Milky White is one of those tricky colors. Some of them are just not nice at all and some of them are very streaky. So I was really interested and curious to see what this one was like, and I was overall really impressed with it. Didn't leave any streaks. It has a nice consistency. It just one coat coverage. Like when I put my slip layer on and then I put the bigger bead on, the coverage was absolutely perfect. So again, same design, just putting the slip layer on and the bigger bead and pulling it down a little bit. But I really like this one for a Milky White. I think they're very tricky. So this one is, yeah, pretty much a 10 out of 10. I just held it upside down for a few seconds just so that the gel would float to the center. And this is what it looks like in that one coat. And then last of all, we have purplish pink. And the name made me laugh because it's like they couldn't decide whether it was pink or purple. So they were like, purplish pink. That's the name it's going to be. Perfect, straight to the point. So this I would describe as kind of a mauvey pink colour. It reminds me of a colour that all my clients love in winter or coming into the autumn. It's that type of a colour. Very pretty. I did find this one, maybe you would need 2 coats for this one because I did do a thicker bead to get that coverage there. But all in all, the consistency of these gels was so good. I'm so impressed with them. I'm going to leave the link to the products in the description box along with my 10% off code, and you can use that if you want to. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this quick one.